From Kenya to Guatemala, Engineers Without Borders gives life to the RU slogan, Jersey Roots, Global Reach.
Engineers Without Borders is a nonprofit humanitarian organization that implements various engineering projects with developing communities worldwide. I had a chance to meet with James Hughes, president of Engineers Without Borders, to discuss his trip to Thailand. What is your current project about?
I was in Thailand. I did travel with the Thailand team this past summer. We did have to work with their government because their government is tied right into the village we worked in. So we put on this presentation for the government and the villagers, and they all came and they watched us, and we explained basically with pictures and a few Thai words that we had a translator put in the presentation for us how we're going to fix their water system, and basically hoping to show them why we're there to help them. And they really enjoyed it. They actually threw this big party for us at the end of the trip to thank us for our work, so that was great. It was really nice. The first task is to find out what the community needs. We have to do the work that they want done. If we do work that we think needs to be done, it's not going to be accepted by them. It's not going to be sustainable. And in the long run, it's probably not going to work. But if we know that they want a solution to a problem, and it's something that's really dire in their minds that they really need, then we go and we find out what that problem is, and then we work to fix it.
What does this project entail?
The project's been around now for the past 2 summers. We've sent teams there, and I went this past summer. The first summer was an assessment trip figuring out what the problem was. It started off as like a solar purification water project, trying to design some kind of water purifier that used the sun, and it's now expanded to fixing their local water system. So this past summer we went there to do a second assessment, and we did a little bit of implementation. We changed some piping to make the water run clean. So we were there basically 9 to 5 every day, either on the work site or at the NGO, which is about 20 minutes from the village work site, doing research. And I personally was involved with the education team, so we were making PowerPoints, making pamphlets, going door to door to pass out this media, this information to educate the villagers of what we're doing and why we're there.
How many villages were impacted by your efforts in Thailand?
It's one village that's part of like a bigger set of villages. It's 120 households, roughly. I think that was the last estimate.
Engineers Without Borders offers great opportunities to take engineering out of the classroom and into the real world. What inspired or motivated you to do this project?
Well, I joined Engineers Without Borders at the end of my sophomore year, and I joined it because it just seemed like I was doing something more than myself. I feel really grateful to live in the United States. I feel grateful to have all that I have. I don't have to worry about food or water ever, and it's almost like, what's my purpose in the global humanity, the one that we all are? Why do I not give back?
Why do you think students should take part in Engineers Without Borders?
I mean, I think it's a good thing to join, whether it's EWB or something that's greater than yourself. It's good to join because it gives you purpose, and it gives you more direction than what society's put us in, which is basically get a job and work. And I think that's great. I mean, we all have to get a job, we all have to work and provide for ourselves and provide for our families, but at the end of the day, if you continue your legacy by touching the lives of others, then when you're gone, you pass yourself on through history.
If you're looking to put your textbook studies to work on an international level, join Engineers Without Borders. For more information, go to ewb.rutgers.edu. For RUTV, I'm Justin Hughes.